Hello friend, if you think DevOps and Azure DevOps are the same thing, don't worry, you are not alone. It's like pizza and Domino's are the same thing, okay? Remember, one is a concept and the other is the tool that delivers the concepts to your door, okay? So, in this video, I will explain DevOps and Azure DevOps, what are they, how they are related, when to use which one of them. And after watching this video you can confidently explain these concepts to anyone, interviewer or anyone, because I will use the visuals like this to explain the diagram, to explain the concept, and then you will never forget this concept ever. So let's start exploring it now. What is DevOps and what is Azure DevOps? What is the difference between them? So my answer will clear all your doubts, okay? First of all, what is DevOps in general? Not in Azure, in general. Here is the diagram. In DevOps, Dev stands for development, where developer will first, what developers do when they started creating application. First they plan, okay? Then they code. Then they build the code so that code will successfully compile. And then they test, unit test to whatever testing. Finally they release the application, okay? Then the operations start, which is OPS, okay, where the application which is released is partially the part of ops and it's also part of the dev, okay? So next, the deployment will be in the UAT environment or the production environment. Maybe the IT team will do, or infra team will do, or the development team can also do it, okay? So now the next step is operate. Operate means when the your application is in production, so you are operating it. Basically you are if any bugs are coming, anything is happening, so you are operating it. Then the last step is monitor. So basically you are sitting and you are watching your application, how the users are using your application, and you are analyzing basically, okay? So basically this is the whole step of DevOps. Now what is Azure DevOps? Azure DevOps is a platform, or you can say it's a portal where you can manage the entire DevOps lifecycle, from development to code to deployment to production, smoothly and efficiently, everything, okay? For example, if you will use Azure DevOps portal, which will look something like this, okay, then you and your team member and your manager can assign and create work items here, check the work status, check the deployment status of application, and everything at one single place, and that is where Azure DevOps platform, okay? Here is the final definition. DevOps equal to development plus operation. It's a concept. Azure DevOps is a tool which is used to implement the DevOps process, okay? So Azure DevOps is a cloud-based DevOps platform from Microsoft that provides end-to-end tools for software development, CICD testing, project management, everything. It enables teams to plan, develop, build, test, and deploy application efficiently, okay? Definition and the theory present in the book so that later you can easily revise. But yes, in the upcoming question, I will also explain what are the elements present in the Azure DevOps platform and how we can use them, so that if anyone will ask you, you can easily answer it, okay? Quick update before the next question. I cracked Azure Interview after facing many rejections. From that experience, I created this complete Azure Interview course. This course includes 5 things. Number 5. 200 interview questions, all topics step by step, even if you are an Azure beginner. 4th, real scenario based questions just like in real interviews. 3rd, you can check your interview preparation status by marking questions prepared or not prepared. 2nd is this PDF book for quick revision. And first is Azure Top 10 Mock Interviews. Many students cracked interviews using my courses. You can be the next. Course and book links are given in the description. If you are interested, great. If not, no worries. Let's continue with the next question. What is CICD pipeline? Have you used it in your project? By the end, you will be super confident on CICD pipeline. Now, if you have some experience as a developer, then you already have some idea about these steps involved in creating an application. First, plan, then code, build, test, release, deploy, and finally operate, or you can say monitor the production application. Okay, so that is the normal application life cycle. Now, what is CI? CI means continuous integration. It simply means this. So let's say you are a developer and you write some code for a new feature. Then you push your code to a shared place like Git. At the same time, your teammates are also writing and pushing their code also, right? So here is this CI process. As soon as you push the code, an automatic process start. First, if it checks if your code builds properly or not. No compile time error should be there. If the build is successful, then it runs the unit test cases automatically. Okay, so build is automatically, test is automatically. If all tests pass, then your code is automatically accepted and added to the main branch of the project. In short, it is called continuous integration because multiple developers code is continuously integrated with the main code. Okay, again and again and again, smoothly without any problem. That is continuous integration. And yes, if there is any build error or any test error, then you have to fix it first, then only your code will be integrated to the main branch. Okay, so that is CI, continuous integration. After that comes CD. It's not CD, it's CD, not that VCD, it's continuous deployment. It means code from the main Git branch will be automatically released and deployed to different environments like QA, staging and pre-production, something like this. Okay, so these are the steps inside the CD, continuous deployment. Whatever code is going to the main branch will be automatically deployed to the dev environment, QA environment and production after the necessary approvals. Okay, so that is continuous deployment. You do not have to do anything. It will be automated. So in short, CI/CD pipeline helps automate your project full out workflow from coding to deployment, making everything automated and faster and smoother. Clear? So if it is clear to you, write clear, crystal clear in the comments or chat section so that you never forget this concept. Finally, here is the simplest definition. A CI/CD pipeline is an automated process used by developers and DevOps teams to build, test and deploy code quickly and reliably. Okay, so build, test is the part of the developer, deployment is the part of the DevOps or infra team. Okay, this definition in the book will help you in revising this concept and from this diagram very quickly. What are the main components of Azure DevOps? Now when you open your Azure DevOps portal, then here are the main menu. Okay, so this is the main menu, or we call here inside we have the main components. So basically these are the components which will help you in developing your application from scratch to the deployment in production. Okay, so we have the Azure boards, then we have Azure repos, this one, then we have Azure pipelines, Azure test plans and Azure artifacts. So these are the main component of the Azure DevOps, which I will further in further questions I will explain them in detail. Okay, for now that's it. Great job, my friend. Now, if you understand DevOps, Azure DevOps, then the next level of DevOps is infrastructure as code, which is very popular in interviews. That I have explained in my complete Azure interview course using simple definition and easy to remember visuals. Many of my students have already used my courses to crack their interviews. So if you are also serious about cracking your next Azure interview and do not want to miss a single question, then check out this course link and the PDF book link in the description below.